Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to reply a note of Instagram. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll open my Instagram and now you can see I'm here in Instagram. Now to reply a note, first of all tap on this messenger icon on the top right. And now you can see here are different notes from my different friends. Now to reply to anyone, just tap on that note you want to reply. And now type your message which you want to send. I'll type my and now tap on this send. And now you can see I have successfully replied on this note. So in this way we can reply to note on Instagram. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.